Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how you can set up Neovim for web development. So guys, the first step you need to do, install the Neovim and you make a last version as you can see here. And after that guys, what you have to do, just use a plugin manager like Baker Neovim and plug to manage your plugin, example Baker Neovim, and get clone from GitHub. After that you can get the clone for your GitHub code, and for after that guys, add web development plugin, and you can add it a web develop plugin, and you can get plugin here easily. After that guys, what you have to do, include plugin and the file manage, and after that use neovim /neovim isp config. This is from GitHub guys. After that guys, what you have to do, you can set up LSP and autocomplete. You can use Neovim ISP config and add language server like T server and HTML and CSS. After that, install guys nodes.js tools, and you can install Node package manager to work with JavaScript and TypeScript project. And from here you can configure key binding, and you can customize shortcuts and for faster navigation. I hope this video helpful for you guys. See you on another video soon.